Oh, here we go. This is present number 2 from Mrs. Old Man. I wasn't expecting anything bike related, but she's did me proud, and I'll take it out of the bag and I'll show you what it is. There you go. That's my little gift from Mrs. Old Man. You can see it's a snowflake. You've probably seen these advertised on Facebook. Yeah, it's a nice little. It's quite heavy actually. So you've got some spanners. This one in the middle is double-sided, so you've got a smaller one in the middle, and an outer one there, and then you've got all these extra hex drives here for bolts and nuts, and you've got your Allen key around the outside. There you have a bottle opener, and this section is a little tiny cutter. I don't know what I'm going to use that for. Maybe wire stripping or something. You never know when you might have to use it. And it comes with this carabiner type arrangement, so it'll fit in the bike bag. You never know. You just never know when you're going to need an Allen key or a spanner. Anyway, so that's what it looks like in real life. Like you say, you've seen the glossy things on Facebook. Now you see the real thing in life, real life item.